The ARB Slimline 100 is a high-performance off-road lighting solution engineered for extreme conditions. Its sleek, aerodynamic design minimizes drag while delivering powerful illumination for night drives or adverse weather. Equipped with high-intensity LEDs and an advanced cooling system, the Slimline 100 ensures maximum visibility and consistent performance. The corrosion-resistant aluminum housing provides exceptional durability, while its waterproof and vibration-resistant construction makes it ideal for 4x4S and adventure trucks. Combining cutting-edge technology with rugged reliability, ARB Slimline 100 sets a new benchmark for professional-grade off-road lighting. The Yakima Sky Peak HD rooftop tent redefines overlanding luxury. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and weatherproof materials, it offers a secure and comfortable sleeping space above your vehicle. With a quick-deploy mechanism, memory foam mattress, and superior ventilation, Sky Peak HD transforms any trip into a first-class outdoor experience. Its aerodynamic shell reduces wind drag and noise, while the robust design withstands harsh winds, heavy rain, and extreme temperatures. For adventurers seeking both durability and comfort, the Yakima Sky Peak HD stands as the ultimate rooftop companion. The Channel Lock Headache Rack provides outstanding protection for your truck's rear cab window while enhancing its rugged appearance. Crafted from heavy-duty steel and finished with corrosion-resistant coating, it safeguards against shifting cargo during transport. The modular mounting system allows easy customization with work lights, tool mounts, and storage accessories. Designed with both strength and style in mind, this rack offers unmatched durability for tradespeople, fleet vehicles, and off-road enthusiasts who demand reliability and visual appeal in one package. Smoke racks combine industrial-strength functionality with a clean, modern design. Constructed from reinforced steel and coated with a premium powder finish, they resist rust, UV exposure, and rough weather conditions. The modular layout allows adjustable configurations for various cargo needs, ideal for work crews, hunters, or explorers. Smoke racks provide both practicality and style, enhancing the vehicle's storage capacity while maintaining a bold, professional aesthetic. It's the go-to solution for those who demand versatility without compromise. The Load It system revolutionizes how you load and access gear on your truck or van. Built from lightweight yet robust aluminum, it enables effortless lifting and lowering of heavy equipment like kayaks, ladders, or cargo boxes. Its secure locking mechanism ensures stability during transit, while the compact design preserves aerodynamics. Load It eliminates the strain of manual lifting, offering a blend of safety, efficiency, and convenience for professionals and adventurers alike. It's the smarter, safer way to handle oversized gear. The elongator tailgate system redefines truck bed functionality with its innovative multi-position design. Engineered from premium steel and aluminum, it folds, extends, and locks into multiple configurations perfect for transporting long or bulky loads. Quick-release latches and integrated tie-down points ensure both strength and flexibility. Whether hauling construction materials or recreational gear, the elongator transforms any pickup into a more capable, adaptive workhorse. It's a perfect balance of engineering ingenuity and real-world practicality. The Huracan Tailgate storage system is a brilliant innovation for maximizing truck space without compromising accessibility. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum with precision engineering, it transforms your tailgate into a secure, weather-sealed compartment. Perfect for tools, recovery gear, or emergency kits, this storage solution combines durability and elegance. Its shock-resistant design prevents rattling, while the sleek finish enhances your vehicle's overall aesthetics. With quick latch access and modular dividers, Huracan Tailgate storage brings unmatched convenience and organization to professionals, adventurers, and everyday drivers alike. Norbeer is a revolutionary portable cooling and dispensing system designed for the modern traveler. Compact yet powerful, it integrates advanced insulation with efficient energy management to keep beverages perfectly chilled for extended periods. Whether used for camping, tailgating, or mobile catering, Norbeer delivers premium performance in every pour. Its rugged construction and intuitive controls make it both stylish and functional, while the eco-friendly power system ensures minimal environmental impact. Norbier represents the perfect fusion of mobility, technology, and refreshment, a true essential for on-the-go enthusiasts. The DZ storage drawer offers a seamless blend of functionality and toughness for serious truck users. Built with powder-coated steel and reinforced slides, it provides smooth operation even under heavy loads. Each drawer locks securely, protecting valuable tools or gear from theft and weather damage. The unit's modular design allows multiple configurations, fitting both commercial and recreational setups. Ideal for contractors, adventurers, and overlanders, the DZ storage drawer elevates organization and efficiency, turning your truck bed into a professional-grade storage solution. The X1 is a futuristic truck accessory system engineered for versatility and precision. Combining smart technology with industrial-grade materials, it adapts to various work or adventure demands. Featuring automated locking systems, integrated lighting, and adaptive mounts, X1 redefines cargo management. Its design prioritizes ergonomics and safety, allowing users to handle gear quickly and efficiently. From construction crews to off-road explorers, the X1 delivers superior performance, unmatched reliability, and cutting-edge innovation, setting a new standard for intelligent truck customization. The DV8 off-road truck mount is built for extreme adventure and professional-grade performance. Designed from high-strength steel with precision welds, it ensures superior load stability on rugged terrain. Its modular configuration supports accessories like jacks, lights, or tool racks, giving your truck maximum versatility. The corrosion-resistant coating withstands mud, water, and UV exposure, guaranteeing long-term durability. Whether navigating mountain trails or job sites, the DV8 off-road mount transforms your vehicle into a capable, purpose-built powerhouse ready for any mission. The ROM Flexi 550/300 represents the next generation of modular utility systems. Crafted for commercial and emergency applications, it offers customizable storage, power access, and secure compartments in a compact form. Constructed from lightweight aluminum panels, it resists corrosion while maintaining maximum strength. The smart locking system ensures safety during high-speed operations or off-road travel. With flexible mounting options and advanced ergonomics, the ROM Flexi 550/300 delivers unmatched adaptability for professionals who require reliability, speed, and precision in every operation. The cab rack is an advanced truck rack system engineered to deliver maximum strength, versatility, and aerodynamic performance. Constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy, it provides exceptional durability without adding unnecessary weight. Designed for both utility and aesthetics, the cab rack supports heavy loads such as ladders, kayaks, or cargo boxes, while maintaining your vehicle's sleek profile. Its modular design allows easy installation and customization, while the powder-coated finish ensures resistance to corrosion and harsh weather. Ideal for professionals and adventurers alike, the cab rack transforms any pickup into a multifunctional transport powerhouse. Mobile-strong truck bed storage drawers combine rugged engineering with premium functionality to deliver an elite storage experience. Built from high-density composite materials, they are lightweight yet incredibly tough, providing secure and weatherproof protection for your tools and gear. Each drawer glides smoothly under heavy loads, featuring secure locking systems and non-slip surfaces. Designed for tradespeople, first responders, and overland explorers, mobile-strong drawers maximize space efficiency while maintaining easy access. Their custom-fit configurations ensure perfect compatibility with a variety of truck models, offering unmatched durability and organization. The ARB Intensity IQ lights are a masterpiece of precision illumination designed for professional off-road and industrial use. Combining advanced LED technology with adaptive beam control, these lights automatically adjust brightness and spread for optimal visibility in any environment. Housed in impact-resistant aluminum with military-grade sealing, they withstand vibration, water, and extreme temperatures. The integrated app control system allows users to fine-tune lighting modes directly from their smartphones. Whether navigating rough terrain or working at night, ARB Intensity IQ lights provide unmatched clarity, safety, and reliability. WaterGen is a groundbreaking innovation that literally creates drinking water from air. Using patented atmospheric water generation (AWG) technology, it extracts humidity and converts it into fresh, purified water on demand. Designed for remote operations, military units, and off-grid expeditions, WaterGen offers a sustainable and reliable hydration source without relying on bottled supplies. Its smart filtration and UV purification ensure clean, safe water in any condition. Compact, efficient, and eco-friendly, WaterGen represents the future of mobile resource independence, transforming moisture in the air into life-sustaining water anywhere on Earth. The Neodyne Loader is an innovative, hydraulically powered truck loading system built for speed, safety, and precision. Engineered with state-of-the-art lifting mechanisms, it streamlines the loading and unloading process for heavy materials. Its intelligent balance control and adaptive suspension ensure stability even on uneven ground. Made from aerospace-grade alloys, the Neodyne Loader combines strength with efficiency, reducing operational strain and fuel consumption. Designed for logistics, construction, and defense applications, it redefines modern loading technology, offering operators unmatched reliability, advanced automation, and long-term durability in every mission. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.